At Symbiosis Law School Nagpur, we are committed to nurturing the next generation of legal professionals who will lead with knowledge, integrity, and a global perspective. Our institute prides itself on academic excellence with a robust curriculum that integrates traditional legal education with contemporary advancements. We offer specialized electives in emerging fields. This ensures that our students are equipped to tackle the challenges of tomorrow's legal landscape. Symbiosis Law School Nagpur offers a dynamic learning environment supported by a distinguished faculty, state-of-the-art infrastructure, and a vibrant student culture. With a focus on employability, we provide our students with opportunities to develop critical advocacy, negotiation, and research skills, along with hands-on training through moot court, internships, and legal aid clinics. Our vision is to become a center of excellence in legal education, advancing innovation and leadership through cutting-edge research and academic excellence. We are constantly evolving to ensure our students emerge as global competent professionals ready to make a meaningful impact in the legal fraternity. Join us at Symbiosis Law School Nagpur, where we believe in creating legal minds for a just and progressive society. Together, let's build a future of legal innovation and justice.